Hello everyone. Today we are going to draw and shade a robot. Mark out the areas over here like this. Notice the distance in between these points. These are very important. And once you have marked these lines, we'll start with the sketch. The first area that we have marked is for the rectangle. This rectangle is the face of the robot. The rectangle has rounded edges as well. So you can just make a rectangle at first and then make its edges round to make it simpler. Then over here you draw a line like this, make its neck portion here and join it with two lines here, and we'll next make the rectangle for its body. I make a line over here like this and then add two straight lines here. Then add another line next to this one over here, making it look three-dimensional. Then from here you add two small lines like this and join them at the bottom. Next make two lines over here like this and join them this way here for the legs. I'm adding multiple lines for the knee portion. Then add another line over here like this and join them again using a curved line here. Make a straight line and join it up this way. Now repeat the steps for the other leg as well. Over here, add a line for the shoulder. Make a curved line like this and another line over here. Join it with a curved line again, this way. And then a curve here. And make a straight line like this, going diagonally towards the corner of the paper, and then join it this way for the elbow, just the way we did for the knees. Next, extend these lines over here like this for the hand. And make its palm over here this way. Just follow my steps. See how I'm moving the pencil and in what direction the lines are, and you will be good to go. Next, we'll make the other hand as well. We'll first make the shoulders over here. Make a line for the shoulder like this. Then bring this down and join them at the bottom. Now here I'm borrowing from the other side to ensure that both are at the same line and the sizes are equal and not unequal. Add another line over here. Now add line on the left side as well for the hand. Make its elbow portion as well at the bottom like this, shaped like a triangle. Now draw the hands of the robot facing this side. This robot over here is holding a flower. That's why we are drawing the lines this way. And we'll add fingers next over here. One here and another one beside it. Next, I'll add the stem for the flower. Over here I add a line like this, I make its thumb, and then I'll double up this line at the bottom over here. Make sure it's thin and not very thick. Then extend this line upward but not too much, and again make it thick. Draw the circle for the center of the flower and add 2 petals to know the radius of the flower. And then using it, make a big circle to know where the petals of the flower will stretch. Then I'll start adding flower petals. Next add leaves over here, 2 on the top and 2 at the bottom as well. Now make the eyes for the robot and its smile and antenna. Next, make the ears over here for the robot, and on the other side as well. I'm darkening out this line and then making a patch over here, the label on the robot. Now we'll start with the shading part. I'll recommend you to use 4B pencil and vary the pressure here and there as I'm doing it. Where it's dark, I have applied the pressure and have added the strokes with the pencil. Where it's light, I have released the pressure. For example, for the ears, I started with dark strokes and then I slowly release the pressure, making it light. Same thing, I'll do it for the robot over here as well. I'll make it dark over here and then I'll slowly release the pressure. Do this on all the 4 sides of the face. Darken up its smile as well and its antenna, same thing here, the circle as well. Don't worry about blending it and do not smudge it as well. The strokes are meant to be visible over here. Next, similarly, we will shade the neck part as well. I start from dark and then I slowly lighten it up, but it's still the darkest portion as there is no light reaching in that portion. Now over here I add middle tone and then dark tone in the center over here near the neck and shade it like this using the strokes. Now we'll shade the shoulders over here. Again, darken up this line and make it light. Same thing at the bottom as well. Darken it up and then slowly make it light as you move towards the other side. Do the same thing for this part of the hand as well. Now I'm adding shade on the hand as well, darkening up the lines and adding middle tone in it. Over here for the hand as well, shading it up. Now darken up the lines over here and here as well on all the 4 corners of the robot and shade it up this way using middle tone. Again, I'm adding straight strokes for the sides and on top and at the bottom I will add horizontal strokes. I'm darkening up this side again because this is supposed to be a little broader, giving it a three-dimensional look. And I'll add a small design over here for the robot with nuts on it and shade. Now start shading the bottom part of the robot as well. Shade up this area like this, darken up the edges and fill it with middle tone. That's what we are basically doing over here. Again, darkening up the right side of this part as well to give it a three-dimensional look. Again, for the legs, from the right we will start with a dark color and then slowly move towards the left, making it lighter. On the top also, we'll make it dark like this. Same thing for the bottom, make the knee darker and then slowly move forward here and start from dark tone on the side and slowly move towards the left, making it light. And do the same thing on the other leg as well. Hand as well over here, this way. Shade it up a little to make it look three-dimensional. Again, dark from the right side, and as it moves towards the left it becomes light. Now shade this part of the hand over here. Now here it's quite opposite. It is dark on the left side and light on the right side because this is the inner portion of the hand. Do the same on its shoulder as well. Darken it up over here and now shade the entire portion over here, evening out the surface. Erase the circle from the flower area. Now shade each petal over here like this. Make sure that you are darkening up the left side and making the right side lighter. Repeat the step for each petal over here. Make one side dark and one side light, but make sure that you are following the circular pattern over here as well. You will not darken out the center portion as we will be adding yellow color over here. Now darken up the stem portion like this and add some shade on the leaves as well. This way. Follow the flow of the leaves from the center vein, flowing towards the edges, and do the same for this leaf as well over here. Now we'll do the bottom part. Over here, darken up the line for the feet and make it light as you go up. Make it dark from the left side as well and light in the center here. Same thing goes for the right leg as well. This way. Now start adding grasses over here as well, like this. Make sure that these are strokes. You apply pressure at the bottom and then slowly release it. These are very random and somewhere broad, somewhere thin, very uneven in nature. Do it all over the ground portion and add some flowers as well this way. And that's it. We are done with our picture. We just need to add yellow color in the center. I'll darken up some areas near the center part of the flower as well, and that's it, we are done.